What if I told you that your fear of the unknown is stopping you from living your fullest life? Today, we explored Dr. Joe Dispenza's groundbreaking insights on breaking free from fear and embracing the limitless potential of the unknown. The unknown. It terrifies most of us. Whether it's stepping into a new job, moving to a different city, or simply making a decision without knowing the outcome, fear keeps us trapped in the familiar. But what if I told you that fear of the unknown is just an illusion? Dr. Joe Dispenza, a leading expert in neuroscience and human potential, believes that our fear of uncertainty isn't real, it's a product of our subconscious programming. And in today's video, we'll uncover how to rewire your mind and step into the unknown with confidence. Our brains are wired for survival. Thousands of years ago, uncertainty meant danger. Not knowing what was beyond the next hill could mean walking straight into a predator's path. This survival mechanism still exists today, but instead of tigers, we fear things like rejection, failure, and change. Dr. Dispenza explains that fear is nothing more than a conditioned response, a neural pathway reinforced by repetition. The more we avoid the unknown, the stronger our fear becomes. The key to overcoming this fear is to break the cycle and reprogram the mind. Dr. Dispenza teaches that our thoughts create our reality. When you constantly think about what might go wrong, your body reacts as if it's already happening. Your brain floods with stress hormones, reinforcing fear. But the moment you break this pattern, you create space for new possibilities. Neuroscience proves that through neuroplasticity, we can rewire our brains. By shifting our focus from fear to possibility, we train the mind to embrace the unknown instead of resisting it. So, how do we do this? Dr. Dispenza suggests 3 powerful steps to break free from fear of the unknown. Number 1. Reprogram your mind with daily intentions. Instead of waking up in fear, start your day by setting clear intentions. Your brain adapts to the thoughts you feed it. Shift from what if something goes wrong to what if this brings me incredible opportunities. 2. Meditation and visualization. Meditation rewires your neural pathways. When you visualize stepping into the unknown with confidence, your brain begins to experience it as reality. Over time, fear loses its grip. Number 3. Surrender and trust the process. Dr. Dispenza reminds us that the most successful people don't control every outcome. Instead, they trust the process. The unknown isn't a threat, it's the space where transformation happens. The truth is, the unknown is not your enemy. It's where the best opportunities live. The future isn't something to fear, it's something to create. What part of your life do you fear stepping into the unknown? Let me know in the comments, and let's grow together. If this resonated with you, like and subscribe for more wisdom from the greatest minds in personal growth. And remember, transformation begins the moment you embrace the unknown.